It depends the way I'm using.
Hello, sir. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning, Mamta. I'm doing pretty well. Thank you for asking. And how are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Everything is good. So, how is going on your day?
Mm. Yes, today it's Sunday and it's a holiday for everyone. But for me, even a single day, I never treat a holiday. I try to be productive.
Okay.
From morning, I have done a lot of things, and also I engage myself in a study little bit. So every day for me, a productive day. I never want to spend my time leisurely or uselessly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what about you?
Yeah, like I can say, I visited temple and I completed my all household chores. So that's it. I did till now.
Yes.
But I now I have entire day. So whatever we want to do something, so definitely I will do.
Okay. You have visited temple in the morning.
Yes, morning time. Because you can
So I can
understand
consider,
nowadays Shravan month is going on.
yes, yes.
Mhm.
Then I can consider you as a spiritual person as well.
No, sir,
Am I
I'm
right?
not a spiritual person. I can say not at all. I remember, I pray in front of the God, and I remember in my heart. But I don't visit every day temple. Like today it was Sunday, and I was free, so I thought I should go. And every Sunday we visit temple.
Yes.
But when I have noticed one thing, like when I visit the temple, so that time I feel myself peacefully. We can say another type of energy we started gaining there. So suppose we started saying like this, like God is everywhere. There is no need to go for temple. But like now I started believing this type of thing. Like if I am going to temple, there are feel lots of energy, lots of positivity, peaceful. So this type of thing it's happen. If we visit the temple, we will sit there and we can feel ourselves lots of peaceful.
Yes. I agree with you. And actually, I would say we know, okay, everyone will die one day. Okay. But this truth we can't accept. Okay. So
Mhm.
knowing and memorizing anything and applying these things in our life, it is very difficult. We know God is everywhere, but
Mhm.
it is possible to accept it. God is everywhere. Even we start to quarrel with others. Okay. We get angry
Mhm.
frequently. Why? Because we are just reading and by listening from others, we came to know that God is everywhere, but it is very tough to apply it in our life or in our
Mhm.
daily habit.
Yes,
So
sir.
we already started conversations, so we need to introduce ourselves.
Okay, okay, sir. We forgot. Don't worry, sir. Could you please introduce yourself, sir?
Yes, yes. So hello everyone, my name is Ratan Kumar Mandal. I hail from West Bengal and I'm a working professional and a passionate English learner. I enjoy improving my spoken English and communication skills. And to support my learning journey, I have also started a YouTube channel
Mm-hmm.
and where I upload conversation videos and other English related content so that other learner can get help from these videos. And apart from that, in my leisure time, I love to engage myself in learning new things and adding value to my life so that I can become the best version of myself. I enjoy playing badminton. That's a little bit about me. Thank you.
Okay, sounds good. So, thank you so much, sir, for joining me. First of all, I would like to say you. And now I'm going to introduce myself also. So, it's my pleasure to
Okay,
introduce
thank you.
myself. My name is Mamta Kaur. I have completed my master degree on organic chemistry. After then, I completed also, I can say, PhD degree, and along with I qualified CTED examination. And nowadays, I am improving my communication skill, and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. And My hobby is spending time with the family members. I love to dance, and nowadays I am running YouTube channel. That name is Mamta's Mighty. That's all.
Yes, it's a great introduction. Yes, you were speaking really well, I would say, because I have watched your some video from your YouTube channel.
Okay,
Okay,
sir. Thank you so much.
and really very confident, I would say.
Thank you so much,
And this
sir.
is the way we speaking continuously, we can get confidence.
Mhm.
And do you have any questions to ask? You can
Okay,
go
okay.
first.
How we can reduce of time, like screen time, uh, for children? Because you can understand nowadays children are addicted too much.
Yes, thank you for your question. And first of and foremost, I would like to say that main reason, okay, when any child just was born, okay, that time he or she is not well acquainted about cell phone, mobile, and these things, okay. We, the parents, we are responsible for it. We make them habituated with using mobile, giving mobile, okay. So first and foremost, we need to set an example for them. We don't need to use mobile and cell phones frequently in front of them. We need to set our time. We need to restrict our time as well. Using mobile phone all the time, we are not spending our time by reading, okay. We should show ourselves as role model, okay. We need to set such type of example, then automatically it will be possible. And also they also need mobile and technologies, such type of things, because in their education these days it is also essential to use mobile and something as well. And as I am now, these days I have started YouTube channel for my son and daughter as well, okay. They are also using, but whenever they are using, parents should be there, okay. Without we are not accompanying them, and they are just alone, they are using. My son and daughter, they are using, okay, without their mom and without me. That time it will be very tough, okay.
Mhm.
And that way it will affect their eyes and such type of problem. And first time when actually I studied in village, okay, and I am from village, okay. When first time I came to town, okay, in a city area, that time I realized that every child I can see, they are using uh, spectacles, Google, such type of things. Why they are using? Because of their screen time. So we should restrict their time. We should limit their time to use their mobile. But whenever they need to use their mobile, we can give them, but we have to stay with them. We have to watch with them. Then it will be possible. Otherwise, it will be very tough. I am busy with my mobile and they are busy with their mobile. Then it will be very, I can say, very difficult for them, and it will, I think it will make them addicted to mobile phones and such type of
Mhm.
tablets and laptop as well.
Mhm.
So we need to do such type of things.
Yes, sir, you are saying correct. Like children are more, we can say, accustomed to use mobile phone, and if suppose you are sneezing the mobile phone from them, they started watching TV. They started again consuming, like using time with the TV. Not using, they are wasting. They will watch some of cartoon, different type of we can say games. They will play there. So this is the not good. And you are saying like parents should stay with them. So like if suppose parents are staying with them, they will like nowadays online classes they are taking with the mobile phone, and like they are getting homework on the mobile phone. Everything is available on the mobile phone, so they are taking classes and homework they are getting. So parents, they will not observe to them, they will not focus to them. They started playing games, different type of videos they started watching. So they started using misuse. So parents, yeah, it is your good thing. Parents should be near to them so that they can use in a good manner. Otherwise, they can be feel harm if they are consuming any type of content, and they will play games. They will use screen time more and more. So they got affected.
And one thing I would like to mention that um, these days children are also watching televisions on school. Okay, they are also there watching. There are projector and such type of facility available in their schools. I think for developing their mind, it is also essential to give this exposure, watching cartoon and such type of thing. They come to know automatically. Okay, many things I learned from my 5 years old son.
Yes,
Okay, and how they learned just by watching
by watching
cartoons
cartoons.
and such type of thing. So
Yeah,
educational content they need to watch. Okay, so that time just we need to stay with them. We need to watch with them. Then definitely this will be productive for them as well. So this way we can do.
yeah, if they are habitual since childhood, they can watch. But suppose like in the starting in the beginning time they started watching in our mother tongue language, they are watching any type of cartoon after like we can say like after they completed his or her like around 5 6 7 years after, then they will not watch in English. They wants to watch in our MT mother tongue, in mother tongue they will watch. So
And
initially, like
another
if
thing we
we
can,
they want, so we should run in English. Any we can say cartoon.
yes, yes, we can. Another thing we can also do, like we can play outdoor games, or we can play chess. Okay, such type of game
Yeah, it is
with
the
them. So that time we can reduce screen time as well.
mhm. Definitely, sir. We should play with them. Okay, sir. Do you have any questions? So you can ask me. Other
Yes.
do you have?
One thing I would like to say that could you spend an entire day without a smartphone?
Yes, sir. We can stay because I would like. I want to say you like when I used to prepare of government exam. Uh, so that time, like I was not using that much mobile phone. I used to study. After that, I used to spend time with my family members, and little bit I used to watch my mobile phone because there that time I didn't have any type of Instagram, and what I didn't have WhatsApp also. So only I had YouTube. So whatever I wanted to consume data. So it was related to my study. So that time, like I lived without mobile phone, but now I'm totally accustomed to use this mobile phone. So now it would be difficult for me because now I'm using a lot. But 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, we will feel like I should have mobile phone, but gradually I can reduce. I can skip this type of.
Yes, we are doing fasting. Okay. So these days it is very essential to do fasting without mobile. That means we should do fasting of mobile. Okay. Not using mobile. We such type of digital detox we need to do in our life. Okay. It will make our life little bit better, I think. We can do such type of things. And also at least everyone should do once in a week or one day in a week to avoid at least social media. It is
Mhm.
very, I think it is very essential part mobile in our life. Okay, we can't stay without mobile. Okay, as I'm working professional, I think I will not be allowed without a phone. So as I am into such type of professions that 24-hour I have something work, okay? So I can't avoid mobile, but at least we can avoid social media, okay? For one day. If I fix just one day for social media, so gradually it may be beneficial, okay? And
Mhm.
one thing I would like to mention that in 2021, I closed my Facebook, then Instagram. I'm just 25, 26, and in 2026, I started my Instagram and Facebook. Okay, during this that period, I haven't used these things,
Mhm.
and that transformation happened with me.
Mhm.
That's why these days I'm very productive, and I'm not using or spending my time uselessly. And though just I started for the sake of my YouTube channel because I need to upload and share my videos, links, and everything through WhatsApp and Instagram. That's why I started. Otherwise, though I'm sharing these things, but I'm not watching uh, Facebook and this time because I
Reels.
don't have time. Mainly, I don't have time to watch these things because I'm fully occupied working professional and
Mm.
also learning something, okay, and engaging myself to teach my son and daughter. So there is no time to
Yes,
use
sir.
these things.
The
But
good.
earlier I used to use, okay, this way I can do and we can
Okay.
do as well. And another thing, do you think that smartphone or such type of technology have changed our life or have improved our life?
Mhm.
What is your opinion on
Yeah, sir, it's my opinion. Like, firstly, we don't have time, but I'm going to not elaborate. I'm going to tell in a nutshell. So, like, if we are using any smartphone in a good way, so it would be benefit for ourselves. Otherwise, like, we will waste our time. Suppose nowadays we are taking online classes, so it is good for us because we are not wasting our time to go and come. So we can say like it is the good for us. And another thing is like if we suppose we don't have money and we have a smartphone, so wherever we are going, so where we can pay without thinking like I don't have money or not, that time like if we have phone, so we can do phone pay, google pay, whatever we have options, so we can do in a easy way. There is no need to go like there place we should go there and we should give money him or her. So this type of thing we can do. And education, we are now we are learning english through the social media, through the technology. We are taking sessions and uploading videos, so lots of the thing are we are doing, so it is the good. Only totally depend on us how we are using these things. Otherwise it is lots of benefit we can give, we can pick.
it? Yes, you are in a hurry to answer because time is very,
We don't have
very
time,
poor.
sir. I would like to say you
Yes. So, in a one sentence, I would like to say that everything, not only mobile, everything has pros and cons. Okay. How I am utilizing this.
that.
Okay. Everything has advantage and disadvantage. It depends the way I'm using. This is the main thing.
Okay, sir.
Yes, it was really nice conversation,
Thank
and
you,
we are
sir.
running out of time
I
already.
enjoyed
I
a
have
lot.
also one point. Yes. So next
Okay.
time, once again, we'll try to
Uh,
converse.
okay, sir. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
joining me. Okay. Have
Okay.
a